activity this week is a nature walk. Get a copy of this sheet, either take a screenshot, write the items down on a piece of paper, or if you want this exact sheet, click on the link right below the leaf. Grab a family member and go somewhere just around your neighborhood. You can find a local park or a trail, and you're going to look for these items one by one. Bring a pencil or something to mark it off as you find them. Be safe and have fun.
Now that we have shown you what to do, it is your turn to go grab a family member, go out into nature and explore and see what you can find. If you find a cool pine cone or a rock, get permission if you could take it home. Also, do not pick any leaves that are still on the tree. Don't disturb any insects, spider webs, or bugs because they're not bothering us. We don't want to bother them. Hope you have fun.